All right, guys, welcome back to this week's episode of Tips with Skips. On this week, what we're going to be talking about is cabin air filters, where your cabin air filter is located, signs of when you should replace your cabin air filter, and then we're going to show you a quick demonstration on this GMC Acadia on how to do an actual filter change. Okay, so first things on where it's located, go to your owner's manual. It'll be a section of your owner's manual. It'll show you right there how to get to it. Very simple, very easy. Okay, signs of how and when you should change it. Smells in the cabin, things like that. I'd probably change it with every other oil change. You don't have to do it every time, but I usually recommend every other oil change, probably maybe once or twice a year. Okay, so for this GMC Acadia, okay, the filter is actually located right here behind the glove box. So just a simple pop of the mechanism right there. This will actually pull out. And you'll see the tiny little slot back here. Okay, with the simple tab, which will have your air filter. Now, this is a filter that obviously needs to be changed because, as you can see, we have a fresh one right here to demonstrate what it should look like. So here we have a clean filter and the filter we just took out. So obviously you can see this one definitely needed to be changed. So now that we have this one out, all you have to do is take the new one, slides right back into the slot where the original one came out. Oh, I actually have it. There we go. We take our little cover again. Gotta make sure you put the cover back on. Ooh. Okay. And we just simply take our glove box, do a simple reconnect on the mechanism on the side. All set. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach us at skipsgaragerepair.com. You can book online or call us at 603-382-1010. Have a good day.